Hi there, friends. If your Samsung phone suddenly displays the System UI isn't responding message, don't panic. This is a common Android issue that can happen after a software update because of temporary system glitches or when cached files become corrupted. The good news is that in most cases, you can fix it yourself in just a few minutes without losing your personal data. Follow these simple steps. Go to the Settings app menu. If you can't find it on your home screen, swipe up to open the app drawer and use the search bar at the top to quickly locate settings. Scroll down and tap Apps. Depending on your Android version, you may need to tap Apps and Notifications first. Inside the Apps section, tap the search icon and search for System UI. If the System UI app appears, open it and tap Storage. Then select Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that may be causing the System UI process to freeze. Don't worry, clearing the cache does not delete your personal files, photos, or apps. If you can't find the System UI app, that's completely normal on some Samsung models. Simply skip this step and continue with the next solution. Return to the apps list and search for Google Play services. Open it, tap Storage, then choose Clear Cache. After that, tap Clear Data, select Clear All Data and confirm the action. This refreshes important Android system services and can resolve many software-related problems without affecting your personal content. Next, it's time to restart your device properly. Press and hold the power button. If the power menu doesn't appear, press and hold the power and volume down buttons together for about 10 to 15 seconds until the phone vibrates and restarts. Allow the device to boot completely. Older Samsung phones may take a little longer to start, so be patient. Once your phone turns back on, unlock it and use it normally for a few minutes. In many cases, the System UI isn't responding message will no longer appear. If the issue still continues, make sure your phone is updated to the latest software version, as Samsung regularly releases updates that fix system bugs and improve stability. That's it. By following these steps, you've successfully fixed the System UI isn't responding issue on your Samsung phone without performing a factory reset or losing any personal data. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out our other Android troubleshooting tutorials.